Okay, it's me again, and I'm just going to spend a little while showing you what I used to do before junk journals, and that was mini albums. I've been sorting out stuff recently, a lot of stuff actually, and these were all in the loft, just sitting there doing nothing. In the past I've given some away as presents, but you know, what are we going to do with all of these? But I thought you might like to just have a quick look at some of these. So this is a 5-page mini album. The idea of mini albums was to add photographs and journaling, I guess. I just loved the paper craft of them. This is just a 5-page mini album. It's made with flattened toilet rolls. Just use ribbon through eyelets at the top here. Each flattened roll has got a tag in it, and I've decorated it. I've used scrapbooking paper, probably a 6x6 pad. Some of you, I think this is a basic grey, some of you will recognise that. And Tim Holtz, not Tim Holtz, that's Tim, this one's Tim Holtz. This is Paper Artsy dies to make sort of faux chipboard embellishments, and they just work. You know, they're full of pockets. They're very junk journal-y really in lots of ways. This one folds down, there's a couple of pages in there, and a little tag. You can see I've been making tags for a really long time. This one opens out. So that's one of the smaller toilet paper ones, toilet paper roll ones, I should say. On a slightly bigger scale, this was one that I did for Paper Artsy. So this is quite a chunky beast. Still only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages in this one. These are stamps that I've cut out. I've stamped and cut out on pattern paper. This has got some big journal cards in there. Stamps and die cuts, little pearls. This is a tag with a little stopper at the bottom. I sometimes do that in my junk journals. This one is magnetised. This is just a cross pocket. These are all, they've all got a big, oh, that one's stuck. Another magnetised one. This is a waterfall. Some of you will have seen those appearing in junk journals. So that was quite a large one. Let's see what we've got. This one is just chipboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 covered chipboard pages. I've used punches and die cuts and a mixture of flower dyes. That's the idea with a photograph. This one is full of butterflies. I've carried the butterfly motif through each page. That's that one. This is another toilet paper one, toilet paper roll one, sorry. Again, it's just a combination of, these are quite small. I'm not going to open everything, but a little acetate pocket there. I followed a lot of tutorials with Catherine Krieger and Laura Dennison. They're my two favourites. and then you just sort of add your own twist to things. This one is quite interesting. That opens like that. That was another small one. This is a bigger one again. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. Again, each page is a pocket, so there's a big card in each one of those. This is a magnet, I think. That's right. It's a long time since I made these. Waterfall that way. This one opens like the previous one. Just really pretty papers. I was obsessed with scrapbook papers, but I didn't really want to scrapbook. I did do a bit of scrapbooking, but that wasn't really where my interest lay. I like making books. What else have we got? I've got some more toilet paper ones. Sorry, they're the rolls, toilet paper rolls. This one is separated by beads. Again, similar style. I do have a style, I guess. I wouldn't have thought so at the time, but I do. And then this one was slightly different. This was one I did sort of adapt from a tutorial and definitely made this my own. And way down my timeline I do have tutorial for this, and it's what I would call a box album. This one is 1 inch all the way around, so I've constructed the box. I think it's this way up. Which way up is it? Yeah, this way up. Constructed the box, so we open those two, and again it's photo mats and spaces to journal. This lovely flower layered, that's the Tim Holtz die on that one. Savannah. And that opens out this one. I can't remember what that's got inside it. Let's have a look. It's a pocket. And then you have to remember which way it goes back. Something like that. And that's the box album. So I've got more here, but I don't want to bore you with all of them. This was a Laura Dennison tutorial that I followed. This one is not too successful in hindsight, but this is a paper bag. This is using paper bags. I think this was a Catherine Krieger tutorial. But it doesn't lie flat, this one. So there you are. That's what I used to do, if anybody's interested. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.